Hello everyone, this is the old part-timer coming to you from Marysville, Ohio. My name is Billy, and I am a relatively new Apex driver. So just wanted to take a moment and say hello and introduce myself. I'm from the Marysville, Ohio area, which is just outside of Columbus, and glad to be able to get my regular clientele that I have here in Marysville back onto a platform where I'm able to get reservations from them and be able to provide them the services that they need on their schedule, and also with what my schedule is with my day job. So nonetheless, with a small rural area, it's very beneficial to have a service that's available that we can promote to our riders who can then reserve us. For instance, I have riders here in Marysville who are reluctant to even put a request in on Uber or Lyft because they're not guaranteed that they're going to be able to get someone to come out of the nearest location, which is in Dublin, which is about a 20-minute drive. And it's very true. Most of those drivers don't want to run the risk of coming out here for a short little 3-minute drive. I've got 2 or 3 regular drivers in the Marysville area that I'm working with to try to get on the platform, to try to kind of boost our reservations in this area and get that product out. But I will tell you, I fully believe in this product and service. It's a great tool to help kind of put in your toolbox to help build your clientele and your riders in your area. In a nutshell, I wanted to take a minute and introduce myself. You'll see my face a little more often, probably on Mondays at some points, and maybe a couple other times here and there as well. So this is the old part-timer saying it's nice to meet everyone. And like I said, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to any of us, all right? Apex on, Uber on, and Lyft on, guys. Thanks.